Hello all.
Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 3, Part 305. Today we are a little tolling around with some cars in the honor mode until I'm drunk and maybe I'm going to Mortal Kombat later on, or I really do not know. Okie dokie. That's actually all. Ci czapkę pan, człowiek sobie, so ludzko, teraz nie next stream.
Hi, how you doing XX?
How's it calling?
Well, empowered off a bit from construction week a lot. In tier today a bit too, but mental fine. ... And you?
You know, my talking today is a little less. It's like, I don't know. Yesterday was actually a good time, some kind of making jokes, right? Because I was very sleepy yesterday until 12 o'clock, came in home, and 18 o'clock or something, I coming around, I was so tired, and I was starting up to drinking stuff, you know, the Smirnoff and the beer, you know. It's so tough in this.
That's good. Your car
I was
looks
actually
so
very
cool
happy then
good.
and funny.
Thank you for answering X.
Today,
I know that blah blah feeling.
Nothing. Blah 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 feeling. Self-made. Come on. What is YouTube doing again? For God's sake, heaven, grace. Hold on, that is not working. Wrong button.
I appreciate the answer. I usually get ignored. LOL. Well, thanks.
Yo, what the hell is that? You know, some kind of this crack. It's like, I'm talking to myself to 99% of my live streams actually since this year, as example. And nobody comments. Sometimes some watchers in here, sometimes not. But you know, they don't comment. Like, the only, maybe, can you invite me? That's all. Nothing more. And I'm talking and talking, and nothing happens, you know. And sometimes there are maybe 6 or 5 watchers, and not even, you know, a thumb up, a thumb down. I was so much actually into that YouTube started up to get a thumb down. And so that was 1 year later or something on the DefRekka account on YouTube. Cool. Finally, they got a thumb down 6 years ago. Hold on, not 6 years ago. I think 4 years ago or something. Some kind of this shit. But, well, hell. Heaven, grace. What's that? You know, these guy, the family guy. Here, Peter. Louis just prepared the stairs actually with wax, right? And that dog came over, Brian, and asked what the hell is going on in here. Why the stairs are so waxed and stuff. And she wants to see what Peter is actually saying, and he's not normal at that time or that week or something. She waxed the stairs, and he came down, and she's saying, right, heavenly. Oh man, what happened here? Grace. Like these, I don't know, these religious stuff, you know, but very Catholic this crack. And so, I don't know, that was fun. Yesterday I just showed actually the video here, but I can't find the link. I have to type it in, but I'm so boring and lazy today. It's even my cigarette burns by itself. How you doing?
I want a white dog just to call him Brian. LOL.
How you doing, Guyver Mag? You feeling good over there? Oh my god, I have a lot left. Ain't Nitro the bad down below? Oh shit, that goes in the corner. Oh crack, man. That corner. You drink a lot, Mr. Guyver Mag on tequila. What you saying? I want a white dog. Oh yeah. And you know, talking dog. When he's always saying, "I need to go to shit. Go out with me, goddammit, or I bite you." Or bite you. I'm sorry, my English. What the hell? I don't know. What's that? GDM fuckfest? Fairy sport meat? Man, if I'm trying actually to do my own, you know, server up, they say no. It's impossible. Okay, that's an example in here. Set up. Look. Let's try. Nothing will happen. We're going in, and it says error 302 or something, I think. As I started up for 3 years the game, CarX D.R.O. Hell no. You know, you got everything you got. And now you don't even get the server. What the hell is he talking about? Let's link that to that face due to something. Yeah, here we go. A 402 now. It's one of 302. Alright, that changed even that one. Oh my god. Maybe they got problems with the ladder work. I'm not sure. So, what we get here? Oh, hell no. Heaven. For sake, grace. Oh my gosh, I not even want. What can I type here right now? Okay, here you get the link, and then you got actually the sleepy sign again. No, oh, what the hell? Sleep? No. Okay, German, schläfrig, schläf. Here we go. Hello. Oh man. Christ's sake. Good luck, Grace. Wookie. Not so bad you are. Come on, boss. Alright, a mood is coming up. I think I need to drink Smirnoff. Maybe that happened. Hell no, I don't want to do that. Alright. Online, let's go. Where we want to go? Oh, hell, I don't know. Boring. Let's try a little bit out in here. Springston. Okay, what's going on in here? Cool. It looks good. Must be Portuguese or something. Smirnoff. Here we go. Hold on. Nothing happened. Okay. So interesting. She's up Capana Strawberry, so lose by 2010 next game. Oh, please don't form it under the table again, right?
Ain't right, what are you doing, Amy?
Cuckoo! What you wanna do now? Trash, what happened? Whoa! Shit, sorry. Crack happened. Oh, that's nice. Have a nice day, sir. OG player. What the hell, guys? Oh my god. I think I'm in the wrong room or something. Nobody cares of the other ones. Just lucky one who makes points in here. It's Sabi's LD. What's the license plate actually on our construction car? 888. Nice to see. For gratitude. They're kissing each other over there? Okay. Easy now. Oh, there's only A and B. I need to test it by myself first. Capote! With the music, goddammit. I think my tongue is getting a little lazy now from the Smirnoff. Oh man, cigarette went off. Oh, hell no. Nope. Yellow one. Oh no, what the hell with this? Stop bridge. Is she gone? What the hell? That's the same one. If
Okay,
chat
well
stops
then, do the cunt fight.
and nobody says, alright, have a nice day, or something else, or weekend, or yourself, or you know. Maybe my voice was just changing a little bit. I really do not know what happened here right now.
Is it?
The OJ?
OJ.
Original gringo? Pump it up, pump. I want to drift actually, not actually doing these weirdo stuff. Bye bye, have a good time. No. Not my day. You're the winner! Bye bye! Hope we never meet us again. Just kidding. I think we're in the same room! What just happened over there? Oh, mother crack. Yes. Was will das denn tun? Oh, the time is running out, eh? Move. I was not prepared for that one. Oh my gosh, getting to the finish line. Was he? Let's see. No. Oh, mother in hell. Sorry for that one. Sometimes I forgot actually clipping B is actually crack. Excuse me. Oh, holy crack. Crack here, crack there. Actually, I'm normally saying shit. But I say then, you know, crack is simpler. Not so aggressive. For heaven's sake! Let's keep on moving. Why free? Oh, holy crack. Okay. Holy crap. Pull up. For the girls, pull down. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not funny today. What the hell is that? Who the heck are you? For Christ's sake. Alright, I'm going, mate. Shmioff. Shmioff. Oh, shut up, Kaplan. Oh, you again. No, we're racing. Hold on. Nope, we're racing. Yes, we're racing. What's wrong with that? Seriously, I'm not funny today. Hadouken! Sorry. Extremely not my day. What's happening? Ay. I want to shoot myself today. God damn it. Waiting. Alright. There we go. Oh, it's so terrible today, this stream. Oh my gosh. Wake up, Chris! Hold on, I'm trying to strangle myself! Let's keep a movie down. My nose is completely full. Yay, we won something! Yippee-ki-yay! I don't like that car today. There's an E? What? How far is this going? Should actually give a fourth player some chance, right? Ah, it didn't snort, god damn it. Crack. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Tamponade, tissue, handkerchief. Yeah. Snotty this is so I'm not funny today. It's like somebody pulled a string out of my brain or something. Or maybe an SD card. I don't know. Oh, holy crack. So many construction dust. Das Motorspurabturm. Oh, Louise. Was ist mit dem? What the last one was? Of 1 minute and 51 on 192 miles we had? No, this is wrong. We have 118 miles right now. Why it says 100? Ah, 192 miles until actually the old station. Oh crack. Nutty guy. Oh shit. Come inside. Excuse myself. What's wrong today? Can't even drift. Racing is living. Everything else is just waiting. Yeah, for me, mostly. Always for me. What the hats are cracking up? What the hell are you looking at? Oh, mother of hell. Hop! Catch it! Mr. Boneless! I mean... I can't even find words in English. My translation is actually dead already. Today I'm more like the dull boy. Acting like a dull boy today. Say crack! I can't drift today. What is wrong? I give up. I'm hitting too many peoples. Fucking shit. And look at that, 1,800 points? Is this a joke? Okay, I'm actually not going online today. Much more. I can do better stuff, you know, dealing down 1,800 XP. Right? Gaiba? Mac? Oh, no, they can't. Oh, nah, my health. I'm really exhausted a little bit today. Must be maybe the alcohol. Let's quickly change the car. Ooh, what the hell we have in here? Like that. Oh, crack. Hold on, there's a playlist. Since actually a lot of years. Yeah, here we go. Wanna join in? If you have Spotify.
URL.
Oh gosh, shut up. Man, that voice all so loud. URL. What's that even meaning? You are linked. No, hold on, that is something like else. Ridiculous, lousy. Okay, that makes no sense. Oh, I have to do something in here. Good thanks. No, AI is not doing that stuff. Come on, boss, son. She's abgepeint, schweizer Löser. Skullbloß in die Schnecks. Ich glaube, ich schlafe schon ein. I'm going sleepy. Hell no. Not even this one is working. Yeah, what? Yeah, look at your home now. Dust is cracked. I have no dust in my room. Not even an apartment. Yeah, here and there, maybe. It's starting up by the doors, right? Something like that crack. Come on, Mars. Can't even control this vehicle. What the hell is wrong? Saved it? Why is it doing this? Here we go again. Can't drift today. That's it. I give up. I'm dead. Inside, I'm totally dead. There's somebody watching, you know? It's actually maybe Diva. And I can't drift. I'm dead. This construction week fucked me up. Yesterday, I was so sleeped up. Worked 4 hours and I was so done with myself. What is wrong? God damn it. My shitness. Oh Lord, Grace. No. I feel shit. It's just the work. The boss is not there. Actually, he is actually there, but the next week he's not there. The right hand of the boss is actually another way. He's just gone, actually, for 3 weeks or something. But this is not the stress, nothing. Just my mood is totally today a little cracked. Shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, you know. Fucked up. Now I'm standing in front of the toilet and little PP saying, "What the hell are we doing in here?"
I'm trying to pee, mate.
I'm so exhausted. I can't even. I want pee, but something's not working even. It's kind of feeling like, why I'm doing this in here right now. But I know I need to go. Weird. No power left. Come on! Forsake this pee! Ich glaube, ich komme nicht mal dazu. Oh, hold on a second, maybe have a bigger business to be done. Maybe that makes me sloppy. Kinda say no focusation, no tradition today. I'm getting hysteric. I don't know. I'm very sloppy today. It's kind of, I'm exhaust crack and I'm not sure what's going on. Yippee! The big business done. What that doing, yo? Oh, hell. Bit dead inside. I don't know what the hell is going on with me. So, 501, reiste Tom. Maybe needs tequila or something and not Smirnoff. Hold on. So, hand cleaned. Even my, I have to say it, my shit is not even smelling. Kind of bit, but exhaust as well. The doo-doo butter. Seriously. What else? Here's tequila! What's up, you little squirrels? You feeling? Pretty ones! Tequila! Tschüss abgefeiert, drop a salute, salute, Gold in the next stream. I think my mood is coming a little bit up the fine finish line. Music for me. Hell yeah.
Looping that song now. URL.
What's going on? 6 days left. Nothing changed in here. My Anniversity or something. Ich bin nervous or something. Someone's watching. Sind ja schon gar nicht mehr gewohnt. up in the machine. Music is too loud. If you month long not get watched. Sometimes they're watching, but I'm not watching actually my screen and seeing actually somebody's watching. I'm not sure. Thank you very much for watching a little while, Mr. Diva. No? No? What's going on with the vehicle? Seems to be actually everything quite nice. Alright. $110. Why? Drift tires. Shit tires? Drift tires, right? They say it's 3 tires for drift tires, pro drift tires. Crap, I'm not sure about that. What the hell? What? Devilish. Ah, come on, Mac. Alter, ich hab schon alle rausgeballert. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. What the hell are you doing in my crotch?
Dull boy. Oops, sorry. Focusation, drink more beer, more alcohol. Everything's fine. This is my complete problem. This is actually clean up. I'm ready for a weekend. Oh my gosh. Not even drunk, but I like that stuff. But I don't hear myself. It's the earplugs and then the headset over there, overlaying stuff.
Please alive, please alive. What's the record?
21k, alright, let's speed it up.
That is 17k has a beat.
Oh shit, mate. Get over here!
I'm dead.
Tripping on the line of death. Vámonos. Pushen, Jung! Nice one! Oh 4. And a 3, and a 5, and a 6. And we get a lousy engine again. Or poor, or what engine, or whatever. They changed it again? Holy shit, what the hell is that anyway? Lost track? Come on, get away. I wanna see it. What the fuck is that? Is that tarmac? I'm not sure what the hell that is. It seems like actually like oh, there's a farm. Let's get over here. Oh, come on, move a little bit faster. Hold on a sec, maybe we can do. There's a reason. Oh yeah, if you're alcoholic, press that one.
Let's keep moving.
Oh my graceness.
Crack.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Oh hell, I don't feel so good today. Oh my gosh, I'm a little sick today. Oh, let's get into this car. Oh, what happened here? I can't concentrate by that shaking. Stop whiling. Oh my gosh. No. Where's the wheel, y'all? Stop that shaking, mate. Nonsense. No, hold on. No, not doing something, please. There we go. Okay. I just did the smoothing stuff. What was that one? Oh, for Christ's sake. Just loading. Okay. He's a fast runner. Back to the truck. Okay, simply nothing. Shit. I'm just funny today. What's going on in here? Yeah. Oh, nice view today. About have a good time. Yeah, blah 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 blah. UFO. Oh, what's lost? Oh, it comes back. Oh, I'm so sloppy today, so lazy and so fucked up. Sunshine just gone. Gonna be dark side now. Ooh. Where was you? The mic on? The fuck's up already? Stop. I missed the ball further. Get a rock on it. Oh, daylight? Oh, crack, sorry for that one. See that? Yesterday, I just was even doing clips of cinematic stuff. Actually, meanwhile, I was drifting. For what's going on in here? While thinking about the finance minister or something in Germany, he just ended up in a wheelchair somehow, very crazy, like a transformer. But today, the air is out of the tire. Even say it, gear up, Tyrerubber down. Weekend with an exclamation sign, and nothing happened here. Nothing. Biru. Okay, they say a 7K we have to reach, right? The money says 22.5. Nah, never. Oh my gosh. Poorly I can actually reach a 10K. Never I can reach 22K. Alright. Come on, us. I'll be watched. The music, goddammit. Hello? A totally catastrophic day. Actually, the work was very well. But the drifting even works today. Move on. So loud and fucked up. Normally I should actually play something else. Drifting today is just zero. Makes not even fun somehow. Kind of a divorcemanship or something. Oh gosh, that light is so heavenly grace, so lightly. Come on, Chris, wake up. Hell no. The tension to do something today. What's the matter? God dang it. Didn't that change that? Nighttime. Oh, you are wonderful, I hope. Damn it. It's kind of Star Wars The Dunless fights back. Don't know. I'm dead inside. With the same music, the same tracks, all this stuff. Not fascinated today. If I want to actually do Mortal Kombat I'm playing, I really have to say I can't even play it because I'm losing all the times, even in the story mode on easy. I'm so fucked up. But okay, the hope grows. It's kind of, I have already my salad food. I have actually cleaned up my apartment, cleaned myself. Looking like shit maybe, I'm not sure. So, getting older, 37. I'm 37? Oh my gosh. Lost actually this week I was by 127 kilograms, and today my weight is actually, hold on, you can get over it. Yesterday I was by 119.7 or something. I lost actually 7 kilograms by only water in my body system. 100, is this a joke? 122 and a 2, okay. Gain weight must be something like beer. Where my body is actually going. I'm not half even. Okay. Myself wants to go to the toilet again. I'm so sleepy and so done. My body just decided by itself. Con isolation.
Microphone on.
God damn it, the microphone was all the times off. On. Sorry. What are you trying to do? Oh, cool. Doing by itself. Today we was by the doctor and the plaster was not so fine ass on the wall. We're starting up actually to get a little bit wet. Proof that with actually some kind of a device. Kind of a 43, 45, and then meanwhile 100% wetness actually in the wall. Alright. I was sweating like shit. Saying to my actually doctor, because I know him and stuff like that, saying I think my pulse is, that was actually Monday, by 195. And normally it's by 180. I think that is always since my childhood. Little mistake. He was saying you're going down to 150 to 120 or something with that pills, you know. I used them and used to be the saying, alright, my heart hurts. So then after a month or something, I just get away the pills, you know, it's just stupid. That was last year, he gave me that in December. No, hold on, that's longer. Was it last year? I think that was for a year ago. Of course, it was actually 2022. He gave me the pills in 2023. I just was saying, go yourself, this crack. Huh. That hurt my heart. I was saying, alright, I don't want to take the pills anymore. Weird. That's what the hell, a year ago. And today I was saying, don't actually make the pressure machine actually get on. I have a pulse of 180, 195 or something. Nope, sir. He was laughing. Still after a year I was coming. Actually, I think last year I was getting twice actually my blood getting away. Yeah. I think it's better when I'm not talking, right? So I make my microphone actually... I'm not there anymore. I'm wankish now. Any questions? Never ask me how I'm feeling or how I'm just doing actually. The beginning of a live stream. It is bullshit. I'm a construction worker. Everything's going wrong and that's talking stuff. What is wrong with that stuff? Moving. For heaven's sake. That perfect one. Alright, I'm growing. My mood is coming back. What's going on? Zugestellt. Ja, habe ich noch Sätze, ne? Das war die Übung hier. Es kommt ja nichts mehr. Drauf, was da? Don't you? Yeah, just take a zoom down. Let's try it.
Thumb down on myself. Sorry, DjVolgin said.
The worst live stream ever I see this year. I'm so fucked up. And 10 people's trending here right now. I've got more watchers and all this stuff. They're better than me. Twitch, YouTube, and there's me. Alright. CarX D.R.O, gear up. Tyrerubber. Oh shit, dang. Well. Curious about the 87K. Falsche Filme abgestochen, so ungefähr. Katastrophe. Läuft halt nicht. Entschuldigung. Könnte schlimmer sein. Oh my gosh, is that bright? What the hell? Der fette Finger oder so. Alter, das Licht ist so heftig, oder? Muss selber schon Schatten werfen, damit du überhaupt siehst, was für Hände ich habe. Krass. Ach ja, habe ich einen Bock heute. Ich mache jetzt ein bisschen Salat. Geh nochmal pinkeln. Es ist ja so dermaßen heute lausig. Selten, dass ich sowas erwischt habe. Vielleicht bin ich krank. Ich werde noch krank. Aber Julian ist auch ziemlich fertig. Oh yeah, that music, dude. Ich habe einfach zu viel Rotschel in der Nase drin. 2 Fingerschmerzen wegen dem Pflaster-Crap. Eigentlich schon. Ich habe so einen Schluck, bin ich heute zu faul. Nicht falsch aufnehmen. Камбарнас. Heute ist noch zweite Ventilatorstufe.
Не могу сказать одно. Будь у меня время, я бы не тратил его впустую.
Schlag auf Schlag, ja. Jupp. Alter, meine Wunde, das tut so dermaßen weh, Alter. Da haben wir halt auch einiges abbekommen. Es ist wieder Geld weggeben, weil es ist wieder Geld rauswerfen aus dem Fenster. Es ist kein Mensch da sein. Du musst ständig selber zahlen dafür dein Müll. Das ist einfach nicht schön. Kennst du? Bett gehen, schlafen gehen. Shall go. Sleepy as shit today. Die Wunde hört. Es tut schon echt weh. Ist gescheit aufgerissen, Alter, leck mir am Arsch. Du meldest dich ja auch nicht, wird sie wieder sagen, weißt du, deswegen melde ich mich gar nicht mehr bei dir. Das ist so scheiß drauf. Ich AG, weißt. Wie geht es? Oh Gott. Das ist ein Blödelhaufen. Gay. Oh, für David ist das warme Bier. So, die kann dazu. Nein, Aschenbecher wollte ich schon so. Also heute bin ich richtig am Arsch irgendwie. Was ich jetzt bräuchte, wäre so Body Muscles, Sixpack einfach mal wieder trainieren. Die gestützten, also scheiße weißt. Aber es gibt einfach keinen Grund mehr für mich. Aber langsam merke ich brauche selber. Ich glaube spätestens nächstes Jahr fange ich wieder zu trainieren an. Definitiv. Weil ich mich selber schon nicht mehr leiden kann. Läuft einfach gar nichts zur Zeit. Sorry. Halt da, ich wollte das sagen. Wäsch fertig. Apartment sauber. Alles ein Schmarrn. No. I don't drill. He don't drill. Hold on a second. Mate. Oh, that's nice. You have a good idea for that one. Alright. Okay. That was a fine ass idea. Hold it. Thank you very much. Not a bad idea. That's good. Soll man die Wäsche einfach mal liegen. Auch wieder. Jetzt will ich über die Rippen rausgehen. So. Thumpers. The whole I better say, it's just everything is just fucked up. Ow. God damn it. Fucking hell. I'm a mess today. Yesterday was the same. Well, dying soon anyway. Doesn't matter. Music consistent. Tadaimasu, by the way. Sierra Tequila limited edition. Yeah, you doing 2 years long. Fancy hairs, eh? Bony. Garoni. Oh, nobody sees about that one. The Seacore actually since a half year. Starting up to get breaking. It seriously hurts so much. Pussy boy! Already got my 4th cigarette today. For nothing. Second station ventilation system. Crack on. Yowts. Gambatte. Cares. 44 for 4. Man, I thought actually, wrangling around with 0 and going back in the 180, we may just get something done. Nope, not even. So much weird translation here about German to English. So many things in my mind. I can't talk about that. So much dirt in my fucking eyes. Oh, crack. Heaven. Grace. Hold on. Okay. Nobody's watching for that one. Let's find this one. Hi. Heaters, stairs. That's a. There we go. Oh my god! Instantly, I found it. Okay. La lilo lilo. Was that the link yesterday? Sure about that one. Yeah, I think it is. Here we go. Just the link. Watch it. Have fun. Ouch, heavens. Oh my gosh. Where are we? The stairs are so long. Okay. That smacks. Oh shit. Okay. That was weird. Yeah, I'm not Japanese, I don't understand that stuff. I think that's normal American stuff. I'm German. Fucking crack. Today I'm very lay low. I'm just so dead. I mean, there's no contract or something. I just want to play. I just want to drift. This is bullshit what I'm doing in here. Normally eating, going to sleep, right? Kind of that crack. Body system already says, let's go to the toilet again. Maybe because on this way is actually a possibility to... I want to have a pizza today, it says. Okay. Possible right now. I'm gonna have a pizza. Let's get the pizza on. You're welcome. Uber heat only. Just about my weight. Okay, we got the D.R.O. And we got... Oh my god, is that a... Oh my god. Okay, I have to Flemish. It's just like a pizza with a lot of actually cheddar cheese and bacon. Okay, oh, need something to cut in. Somebody just told me that one. And the other pizza is the avolo with a little onion, a lot of mushrooms. Are you going down here? You're going up. That was a doozy today. Alright. That is actually a turkey pizza. So sharp and at the same time have salami. Alright, go in. Oh, don't. Oh, where are you going? The salami is just gone. Flapped off and I can't even help it. What the fuck is going on in here? So we have salad. Impregnate that later on. Here we go. Alright, where are you going? Peeing again? Why? There's a half beer. My laundry. Okay. That is maximum. That's nothing. You say you fat? Oh, what the? Oh, come on, dude. Wow. Nothing left or something. Also Turner würde sagen, oder das geht gar nicht. Jetzt wird's Zeit. Sich an die Stange ranzuhängen. Mal Liegestützen zu machen und so ein Scheiß. Denn wenn du in 2 Jahren die Muskeln innen aufgibst, kannst du es vergessen, oder? Dann quillt alles raus. Stehst du nur auf deinen Stelzen und machst nichts mehr, weißt du, wie ich meine? Du baust dir nichts mehr auf. Das ist der scheiß Alkohol und diese Zigarillos, die du rauchst. Nicht gut. Überhaupt nicht gut. Das Rauchen aufgeben, das Saufen aufgeben. Mal wieder Spaß am Leben haben, Alter. Dann bin ich 40 und vielleicht eine Familie gründen. Autoführerschein machen und so ein Scheiß. Aber ich hab keinen Bock mehr aufs Leben. Das ist mein Problem. Ich würde gern. Ist alles einfach beschissen. Fucking Ukraine, Russian war. Everybody gets a war. Territorium. Everything's just a piece of shit today. It's always Germany. You make something wrong, right? Crook. It's always Germany. It's a badass Nazi Hitler guys. We are not R. This is not fair. Laundry, get away. You're coming with me. Hulk. Siehst du, ist mal ordentlich Wäsche gewaschen, Alter. Geht ein Haufen Zeug zusammen. I'm so glad I'm dying maybe next year. I hope so. I hate my life. I loved it, but I hate it in the same time. There's no love in my life. There's only hate. For no reason. Arigato. Ganbarimasu. So what's that with this shit? Okay, du tauchst jetzt, warte mal, das haut nicht hin. Ich muss das nochmal eins runter tun. Au. Okay, the oven is actually heating very well. Okay. 20 minutes. Nobody's watching. Controller's just disconnecting right now. I think I don't need that anymore. I need my headset and myself and the car and all this stuff. Get away, Spotify. I'm done for today. I just want to shoot myself. Was willst du denn tun? Geliefert? Was hast du geliefert? Du kannst doch gar nicht liefern. Die Tür ist nicht mal offen. Was für Verspätungen, oder? Krass, oder? Wie geht das denn tun? Heaven's sake. Es geht doch überhaupt nicht, oder? Warte mal, ich muss mal nachschauen. Exactly. Was wurde denn geliefert? Die Milch ist doch schon da, ist doch schon alles da. Ah, ich weiß schon. Jetzt muss ich mich noch anmelden, Alter. Jetzt geht die Krise komplett heute los. Meine Fresse, Alter. Hast ein Wochenende, bist nur gestresst von Passwörtern. Fick dich doch, Alter. Heute zugestellt. Ist das ein Witz oder was? Ja, muss ich jetzt nochmal runterschauen. Ist heute zugestellt. Wahrhaftig. Aber was ist das denn für ein Bild? Wo soll das denn sein? Bei dir zu Hause oder was? Wo soll das denn sein? Hä? Ja. Ah, okay. Oida. I'll be right back. In front of my door. Oh my gosh, you assholes. Warum schmeißt es nicht gleich irgendwann anders hin? Das ist ja wohl eine Frechheit, oder? I'll be right back. Need to go. here we go again. Amazon just sent me a picture. That was weird. And then in this end, actually, he was making a picture of the wrong side of the house. And just, I was going seeing, and where is it? Where's the package? Going back actually to my side of the house. 7 apartment household. Oh, here we go. Crack. Ah, man. I'm so lousy and she's so fucked up. I can't even hold my fire toy. Spotify is off for me. Just actually, I don't want it anymore. There's only peace in my mind and the little German TV. Or maybe watching Biden's failing the last 2 weeks. Totally actually fucked up. That week was a little bit strange. Drinking, poorly eating, coming home, making live stream, done. There's no point. There's nothing. I'm sitting down and I see my fat. I'm seeing actually so many actually kind of gymnastics or something, just doing work. I was with actually 18 years old, very skinny, no fat. Now the fat is growing. I'm 37. I'm so ashamed. And there's the war about Ukraine, Russian, Chinese, Taiwan, maybe. There's so many new conflicts about Gaza Strip and stuff, Stripe. And, you know, just, why should actually find a girlfriend? Why should doing actually a car license done? All these stuff, you know. Fuck it. Maybe it can't be your last construction worker day on a construction area or something that's crack. I feel shit. Masturbating maybe 1 time in a week. Cause I don't feel any more good. And now the summer is coming. I feel actually like shit. Even I was today I was to my how's it calling? To my doctor. Normally I visit in maybe once in a year. I'm not ill or something all the times, but a little bit or something that's crack. I prefer sometimes when I'm calling, then I have a little issue about my heart depressions. You want to check my pulse or my I don't know, my blood or something, and I'm actually since 5 days a little bit sober or something that's crack, and have a chance now or not, you know. I feel lousy today. Not even drunk, not even some kind of a little drinking or something. Even a drinking a lot right now. I feel just fucked up. It's like you don't want to wake up, right? You just in your bedroom, only your bubble is full. I mean, pee bubble. And then you need to go, but actually, oh come on, I have no intention of. Let's just turn around and just start up to sleep again. This is exactly the day today, right now. The whole actually 4 hours right now. We had 2 hours in live stream. I'm so sorry about that one. The last live streams was better, but this one here today, oh, this is not good. Even actually Sierra Tequila is not helping. Trying, have my laundry, my pizzas now in the oven. The oven is since 2 years or something actually a little broken. Only the oven is working up front actually to say the upper side is actually heating and the down below is not working anymore. That's it. So that's why sometimes I have to, if you have 2 pieces, you have to shoveling around every 20 minutes here and there, here. Maybe it's black already, crack. And then you give in cheese on it, maybe onions, some pepperoni actually pulver. Just powder, I mean, sorry, my English. I don't know, just what I want. Need some paprika, just actually salads and this crack, you know. Shiddly diddly. What the fuck? My mind, sorry. Fucking Pisces, right? Yesterday I called my uncle. He's my uncle and having another uncle, brother say. And they're working actually right now in the hops garden right now, and saying yesterday I called him saying, hey, can you do me a favor actually to Walter? Just saying actually congratulations to your birthday, 21st, 21st March. And so he's saying, you got birthday? I say, yes, he got birthday. You forgot that? I don't know. I'm the only caller on him? Oh, come on, I was a long time with him. I need to, hold on. Then he was going to the calendar where my grandmother actually already pinned up where got actually these birthday finding and all these days, and then he was saying, oh gosh, Monday was your birthday. I say, yeah, it happened. I think I died or something this day. Yeah, today is my brother's birthday? I say, what the fuck, Tom? Come on. I totally forgot that. You was working 4 hours long with him. He didn't told you? Oh shit. I was I think the only caller or something. If I'm right now calling him, maybe he's gone off. I should do this. That's okay, let's call him. I have no earplugs on, right? Doesn't matter. There's no reason my uncle is on. My other uncle is actually waking up at 22 o'clock watching my grandmother because she's actually close to the death. And actually these other, outsider, I had to say the girl or something, that watching kind of these, what's it calling then? If you just get old, you don't want to go to some kind of a facility or something for older peoples. And there's some kind of home office stuff as well for girls from Slovakia, Poland, or Ukraine, or is it maybe Bulgaria or something? And they're very much into that. And the 3 month actually on my grandmother's side, they're changing all the times, maybe German, Poland, doesn't matter. They have family at home as well, so that's why they're changing. And getting actually some kind of 1,600 euros in a month for actually helping out my grandmother since, I think it's kind of 9 months now. Helping her actually about to, cleaning up stuff and, what's that English word for pflegen? Carrying around my grandmother and stuff like that. Where was I? Just my phrase was and so my uncle is actually going between 22 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning. He had watching grandmother, what's going on, maybe sometimes twice in the night. She needs to go to the toilet or something is crack, and so yeah, maybe he's waking up right now in the next 22 minutes or something. Oh, 2015, 45 minutes. Okay, so kind of this, Yesterday I called and my grandmother asked, who's that? And then my uncle was just saying, it's Christopher! Oh yeah, it's him. She totally forgot actually that my birthday was a Monday and today is actually your son's birthday. She forgot. Even my uncle, he was so hilarious in saying, oh gosh, I'm so sorry about I was working with him today. He didn't say something. And there's a kind of, okay, he gives a fuck about life or something. This zodiac sign is Aries, right? 21 is actually Aries. And, there's so much time actually in this birthday time hanging around steel wires for the hops garden. And it was more than 12 years. And all the times he was kind of, this day, eating cigars actually with his mouth, not actually smoking them. And then one day I just was waking up, drinking 3 bottles of wine sect or something, this crack. And so I was drinking it in the morning time, 7 o'clock, going to the field, the hops garden field. Saying to my uncle, gosh damn it, after kind of 1 hour, I think my heart stopped. Is that normal? I mean, it just stopped for kind of a 5 to 10 seconds. I don't know what happened here. And I just wired them up, actually, these steel wires to the hops garden field and the upper below. And so he was saying, all right, I think you're drinking too much. And then I was seeing his face and eating the cigars all the times and getting stuffing in his mouth. And I was saying, why are you not firing that up? That tastes so ugly or something's crack. That was so fine ass. And that was, I think, for 7 years ago. Yeah. Oh no! Holy crack! That was more than 11. Hold on. I'm here in an apartment since 11 years. So it was for 13 years. I was drinking these wine. What's it calling then? We calling it in Germany kind of Sekt, halbtrocken, trockener Sekt. It's kind of these wine with bubbles. Something, yeah, something like this shit. Better say actually these kind of green grapes. They're just pressing into that and just yeah. You know that, especially you will know that. What I mean for that, I have actually 3 bottles of them in here, but not in here right now in the room, but somewhere else here in my apartment. And shit, I was drinking 3 of them. Just my heart stopped or something. It's 5 to 7 or 10 seconds. I'm not sure. So is that normal? He was ducking and then going up and just wiring the steel wire on the wire again, and then I just something happened here. That was I can't breathe. My brain was actually deaf for a sec or something. Everything else was just like a noise, something like. But what the hell? Touched actually my breast, my chest, and just what the hell happened here? I don't feel some pulse. That was something like, and then this time I was 26 or 25 or something. You know, what the fuck? I was starting up actually for 6 years on drinking beer, some kind of, you know, these wine stuff, and there was nothing actually. Double bock is kind of, you got from a 5 to a 8.3 % beer, twice filter or something, but very sugar-like. It is disgusting. Whatever. But still, I was actually in a what's it calling these inhibiting or something. No, this is just a recovering station. I was actually more than 24, I think 24 weeks or something, twice in these rehabilitation stuff. And I was actually this guy that was working and getting people's work and also asking for your sufferment and all these stuff, saying, need help in this crack? Just was doing actually the VHS to DVD cinematic. The first movie was Cast Away. Oh gosh, and so you have to ask all the times about these psycho house doctor, the master. Is that okay that we can show up that on DVD right now in cinematic style, where the people's actually coming every day to come riddling together into the chairs, and just I was up in the podium and just asked them, okay, I'm a patient as well, so hold on a sec, and you are new? And then holding up the hand, going through the list about the names, whereas actually having a problem, and I think that was 6 weeks long, and I was so bored, because from an hour to a half hour to actually 50 minutes, and maybe then nothing anymore. You have no person done, again, actually talking to them, to the psychiatrist, or better say these kind of these peoples that are helping you actually for your psych. They were saying, we have so many patients right now, we can't help you right now in a moment. So I write books, actually, kind of this part. More than, I think, 100 pages I just did, and all the time, every day, one page goes under the door from the room of the, what's it calling them? The psychiatrist. What's that English word? The guy that helps you for the psych and stuff, you know, sorry. And he keeps it always away and just saying, all right, I'm watching it over the night by my family and stuff and thinking about it, and I write it back. Because the beginning was a 1 hour, and it goes a half hour, then a quarter hour, and it's just 0. And just was thinking, what the fuck is going on? He was then making a vacation in Hungary, and I was coming, actually, he was coming back. He was sitting in the crowd. He was getting actually, like, you know, the people just having kind of meanings or mean. But this guy was weird. You know, that guy with the chairs in the hand, getting actually, or Struppelpeter, have long beard and long hair and just going actually strange somewhere else. No calling, something strange. And thought, okay, that's a new patient. And I was talking again and talking to other people. So you good with this? You know, going actually with your wheelchair over that kind of over the door and stuff. I just organized. I hope that janitor just did that, and so many stuff dealing done. So there was actually 3 patients new, and the other guy was sitting just still there. I was saying, okay, you can leave right now, guys. Thank you very much to holding up, and they're just gone then. And there was the 3 patients, and there was one guy sitting in the chair. And that guy, after I just asked what's new and stuff, and we're meeting us again in an hour or something in the hall, was still sitting there. Asking, who the hell are you? Oh my god. And then I saw it. I come closer and recognized that is actually the psychiatrist. Actually helps me out all the time since 7 or 6 weeks. Still I am in this psychiatry, but as an open one. It's just not, it's kind of a psychiatry. You get jackets on or something. You're healthy, mental, and all this stuff. And he was sitting there. What the hell did you do, Mr. Burke? No, a group leader anymore? I was saying group leader here, and that, surroundings here, and especially the village to the city. I don't know about these surroundings and the stuff. And I was fighting 5 weeks to say, no, I don't want to do that, and Drachenstiche und so ein Scheiß, and fucking hell. This is... And then he came back. I was not even group leader. I was a patient leader. I just talked to even the leader of the hospital itself all the times, every day, twice maybe. And it was so fucking freaking me out. It was just packing me. It's just saying, I'm bored. I'm playing WC, what was it, WC7 or something, or 6 on the PlayStation Vita. Let me that organized by my mother, saying, okay, I have the money and stuff like that. Can you just organize that to bring me that, to ship me that to in here? So I played, I think, 2 times the WC6 or something it was, going through and plotting on 2 different accounts on PlayStation Network. And so he was seeing me actually in a tribune and stuff. And he saw me and I just thought, shit, who the hell is that? He was so crazy looking. Just saying, the kind of the, what's that calling, green more or something was not going over your hair and your beard, right, sir? And then I was coming close and see, oh my god, that was actually that guy that just talking to me 1 hour to a half hour, blah 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 blah. And then he was saying, oh, now you have a little bit options in here. I say, yes, I'm the guy right now that speaking with patients by 187 patients. It was so much actually fun at the same time, and they loved me and stuff. And there was always like no alcohol, right? And there were so many people they afraid about actually to go to the supermarket and stuff. So whatever, that guy was actually getting everything together and just sitting down to the public about these patients and try to ask what the hell was going wrong with me, saying, okay, I can help myself. That's the reason. That was the option actually for him to say, I can't help you anymore. You helped yourself hardcorely with no reason. And then I was saying, actually, I like to work. That's my problem. Maybe I'm an alcoholic and a workaholic in the same time. And having a lot of problems with my physics and stuff, mental. So hey, it was not easy. So I'm still actually not recovered. There was no psych help. Cause we was going friends with the other patient as well. I helped them, but I couldn't help myself. Even I wrote every day 1 letter on A4. Done. What I just mean about my future, my past, and all this stuff. My anger, and what will happen when it comes to be like to an end. Nothing happened. I'm still drinking alcohol, thinking about future, thinking how many people get dying more for senseless actually repertoire actually for Russia or Ukraine. Is it maybe in Malay or in this Gaza Strip, and it's a kind of a Israel, or is it just, you know, Africa, drugs in actually South America to going to America, North America, shipping to Europe? It doesn't matter. In the army, they're just testing me about intelligent, and I just got 136, and it doesn't matter. Today, I'm very sleepy and shit. But if I feel actually very down to earth and seeing everything dying, growing, having fun, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, on the shorts, it's just a small thing. Like I'm under actually kind of 7 Fahrenheit down to 0 with a t-shirt. I'm working. Everybody's actually shaking the head then. It's kind of these 5% we doing this, and the rest is actually war, territorium, drugs, money making. That's why I don't understand why Trump is coming to the might again. Okay, they have a lot of the Republicans down below a list. The other side of Biden, there's only one girl and just gone. Bite off or something's crack. So there's nothing coming else. So America is going to like Russia as well. You have only one dictator and he's saying stuff. And so many Americans, I think more than 60% are so dumb and dull. They speaking around like we are safe. We have Trump. They have not even kind of a conversation anymore for that Trump is an asshole. Trump is like, he's a businessman. What is a businessman doing as a president, right? Selling yourself. You Americans are so dead, you can't believe it. I'm so sorry for you guys. You're seriously dead again. Twice now. Biden is an old scarecrow, kind of this. Actually a stone eagle. Because I like his hair. Right? His hair is like a stone eagle, just actually want to drop down in the earth and just want to pick up actually a mice. Oh well, it's okay. Biden is okay, but a little sloppy, a little forgettable, having something, you know, in the age. But Trump, the next 4 years, have fun, America. You get sold. You just get sold out. Pure from China and Russia. If you a-holes, actually, I have to say that because you're so stupid. Go to the army and fight for Trump. Okay, I feel so sorry. You just get dismantled actually in your life as an American soldier right now. This is not the right option. You have only 2 ways, and one way is just already dead. Needs to research actually for a carpet, or better say actually for a coffin. Oh shit, sorry for that one. And well, if you're with Trump, good night. You just get your money out of your pocket, lay it down on the fucking motherfucking street, and wait actually for the taxes man. Just get it away. And Trump says, we need to build the wall again and make it bigger. At the same time, Trump says we need drugs to make America a little bit dysfunctionality or something is crack, you know. Making a lot of money over the drugs, over Colombia, Mexico, or actually over the Panama, this, better say Chile, or we need actually lithium from South America as well. So the marketing is actually very great, but the wall is getting higher. America is fighting each other with itself. And selling that over all the world, where China actually already get twice the hand all over the world for cheap stuff. Sorry. America is dead with Trump. And China says, alright, Let's get them fucked up. Making cheaper production stuff, Timo or something. And be buying America. Already bought actually Europe as well. And Russia just being like an Exodus. There's a New Testament eagle. There's an old one. And blah 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 blah. That's why I just want to say, where's the mass suicide style? I wish myself I want to shoot myself since my 6th year. And I'm 37 now. Because their stepmother just stole me over 5 years my books, my money from work. I was young, I needed the money. Because my father was not there, my stepmother stole me everything. You want to go to the fucking school? You have nothing like maybe your air to breathe. No pencil, no paper. Go in the patchwork family, grown up too much with, I have to say, with girls. That I have no interest in girls anymore, and no interest for sex, no interest for nothing else. That destroyed my libido. That just destroyed everything. That's it. That's my life. I'm a helper person because I'm a Pisces. I like to help. Sometimes I get to force too much. And I'm saying, okay, go yourself this crack. Ah, where the cheese is going? Hold on a sec. No, I can't do. Hold on. Here we go. Alright. Let's set this off. Let's play a little forward. And today is a day, it's Friday, and I just thought it's gonna be explosive and just make fun a lot. Ain't is. Sorry for that one. I'm very sorry for that one. Might be, as one of these days, your girlfriend maybe just kind of this, you know, I'm having my period or something, this crack, and she's very incidentally is saying I'm feeling a bit, you know, naughty or something, this crack. I never got a girlfriend in my life that was stopping by 13 years. That was my last one. The first girlfriend I never forgot, Frost Kiss. She was doing every day Frost Kiss with me. Even she got a bubble gum or something in her mouth. She was 7, I was 8. Some kind of was very skinny, like until actually 21, then starting up drinking, getting fat right now. She was fine ass. Never forgot her. I wish I have a little option to say find her on Facebook and all these stuff, but I can't find her. I'm not this guy. I'm not a stalker, you know. I hate that to do that. Why? Like 4 years or something, I tried actually to find her. No chance. Every date site, every Facebook, Tinder, this TikTok, doesn't matter. This name not fitting, and YouTube, and even the school books or something. One guy from my main school, he was saying, I can't even remember her. Say, Daniela, God, that was her name. He was saying, no, that was one of my best friends at this time, as I was kind of between 6 and 9 years old, and the waist just cut it. And he was saying, I was saying, come on, dude. I just was going. My stepbrother was side by, and we was all the times was going on the kind of the way to go to school. Was watching her, secure her, and all this stuff. Talk to her. So he came on the idea. She liked me a lot. Picked up so much flowers on the field before I was going to the door and just hiding it at I was 7 to 8. And just the saying, Daniela just there, and the mother was saying, maybe. Try to get the flowers actually from her back into her front, and oops, there are so many flown away. But actually was nice looking. And she was actually a little bit kind of, oh wow, okay, that guy is, And then actually Daniela was actually in the back of the mother, and she was coming actually sideward and seeing that and saying, ooh. Mother was gone. Just mother was saying, okay, I think this is a good guy, and just we were talking, and then we were talking some kind of the next days about baby making, what girls are thinking this age. I don't know what's going on all the times, and it's monthless. Actually, 6 months we was talking about each other, and that was so fine as. Not to make the babies and all this stuff. We was meeting all the times after school, especially Saturday was a special day to hanging around and having fun. Yeah. And then there was actually some kind of these you have to move stuff, you know. Father having new work on BMW and moving from actually the placement to Regensburg and blah blah blah. And the last day I saw her, I was actually my eyes was a little bit wet down below actually the garage, and she was up the hill and saying the next day we don't see us anymore, and I'm so sorry. Well, father is moving. Didn't understand. I thought actually it's a joke. So I'm coming home actually the main school, seeing actually so many cars around and some trucks. Shit. Movement. Company, you know. So, oh my god, I thought actually she was joking. Know her since 6 months, you know. God damn it. And then I saw her actually with his mother driving away. So, oh crack, that's real. That was with 8 years. Then the hard shit started up to 12 years to 15.5 years, and the work starts. And there was never a chance actually to find a girlfriend. Just, why? Alright, I think that's enough today. I have soda burn as shit. I feel lousy. Thank you very much for watching a little while. Even the tequila gets a little cap in here, here and there. Not even drunk. It's kind of, I can't explain. I can drink whatever I want. I'm just so lousy today. As I say, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Matta matta, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure about that one. Good night for Friday.